The Banana Ship Adventure on the Milk River. Once upon a time, in a magical world, there was a glowing river made entirely of milk. On the ship lived a brave little boy and his fluffy white cat, Flipsy. One day they received a magical map leading to the Golden Cookie Island. Flipsy meowed loudly, trying to warn the boy. Suddenly, the Milk River started swirling into a giant whirlpool. The boy grabbed the steering wheel and sped up the banana ship. They entered a magical zone where rainbow bubbles floated in the air. Milkfish jumped out of the river, glowing in different colors. Suddenly, a milk storm began pouring thick drops all around them. The boy had an idea and used banana peels as shields. Flipsy jumped and guided the ship safely through the storm. At last, they saw the Golden Cookie Island shining in the distance. They landed their banana ship and stepped onto the magical island. The island was full of giant glowing cookies. But suddenly, the cookies started moving. A giant cookie monster appeared and roared loudly. The boy and Flipsy worked together to defeat the monster. They used magic bubbles to trap the monster. They celebrated and sailed back home on their banana ship.